welcome back to another video where today we will not unbox the Apple iMac. We're gonna destroy it with a pencil!
That is fake information. We're not gonna do that.
I'm not going to give you a question.
Can you stay categorical?
You are fake news.
Of course, we're here to unbox the brand new M1 iMac, sorry. And I guess there's a lot of great things. And
Why you guys get silver?
okay, so first of all,
Oh, that's what I know he's lame, I guess.
so there are 8 colors, I think. I might have to check if there's 8. And you know, Vietnam, we don't have an Apple store, a physical Apple store. We only have premium resellers. And you know what premium resellers do? They just put like 5 colors, and that's what happened. So first he tried to order pink. The guy said no, but the website said it had. So Dad texted the guy like, why the hell is it not there? The guy's like, oh, sorry. Then we went to another website. The guy said that there was green. Then there's no green. So what the hell does Vietnam want me to do?
You know, in WWDC,
Yeah.
Craig showed universal trackpad,
Yeah.
and when he showed that, he had this iPad,
Yeah.
this MacBook Pro, and there's iMac come together.
Yep.
iMac was the silver.
Yeah, what's silver?
That I really like it.
Oh,
And
okay.
that might be the biggest reason.
Why you went for this? Just to
He's
replicate.
even wearing gray.
He's wearing gray right now. It's just weird.
I like it.
I like it. So,
And
anyways.
I could choose blue.
Yeah, I mean blue was very nice in my opinion. But anyways, we're gonna be unboxing the silver M1 2021 iMac today.
Speaking of which, what happened to 2012?
David!
Anyway, let's go back to the unboxing. As you can see, the back of the iMac. You see a very big picture of the iMac, and there's a hint of what could be the power source. And apart from that, let's go into the unboxing.
Can you read the spec, please?
There are 8 colors, and of course the M1 is just amazing. 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU with this one. This is the 512GB SSD. It has 8 gigs of RAM, or you can it's configurable up to 16 gigs of RAM. It's a 24-inch 4.5K display, which is much better than the 2012 display we had. And apart from that, it's great. Like, it has True Tone. It has basically, you know, great things, and also 1080p webcam. It may not sound a lot, but like, it's revolutionary.
That's almost 50% of the
Yeah,
iPhone.
yeah.
Okay, who cares about Apple specs? Samsung is way better.
Okay, Inson, you're a lucky boy.
Just open it, rip it. And
Woohoo!
right there, you can see the mesh cable, which is very nice.
Don't drop it!
Oh, there you go, put it down. So
Nice and slow.
right there, very nice, satisfying looking camera. Now let's just open it.
I think you should do it.
Oh,
Jeez!
whoa. Do I see a hello?
Look at that.
These
Yeah,
arrows,
I know.
the silver arrows, they
Oh,
open. Ready?
pause.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Oh!
Bro, what the hell happened? Oh, it's dust. Never mind. Oh my
it's dust.
god, bro. Like, look at this.
Don't open the hello. Oh no.
Oh,
No, we have to
bro.
take this out
Wait,
first.
so you close it and you just open it?
Voila.
Oh my god.
What? Origami? Since
Origami.
when Apple is working on origami?
Let's pull this out and see how light it is. Just pull it out.
Oh, it's pretty
Like,
light.
put it on the
It's
time.
pretty light.
Oh,
Pretty light.
it's pretty light.
Is it a good idea? There?
Oh, bro, this is beautiful. I'm gonna get rid of this. one.
David, can you move the
Wait.
box away, please?
But there's some stuff
There's
in
something inside.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So right here, just keep it on the ground.
Okay.
So right here, we see the keyboard, the power source, and the braided silver cable, which is very nice to charge the things. I'm just gonna rip through this. Oh my God! Fingerprints! Is this a fingerprint I see? Oh my God! Like,
Can you show it?
I'm showing it, Dad. Oh my God! First of all, we got paperwork designed
Yes.
by Apple in California.
Wait,
You know what?
Is there stickers?
Yes!
Are there stickers?
Oh my God! That's the power
we
thing.
need to check for stickers.
You know, the first thing that comes into my mind is the fact that these are braided cables. So you see this, for example. Oh my God! Wow, this is a thick charger, by the way. It has an Ethernet, I think. It's Ethernet, right?
Perfect.
And a power supply.
Perfect.
Wow, look at
That's
this.
why the reason
This braided cable is much better than
Look
the
at the
cheap
sticker.
white ass one, and this sticker looks very good. Like,
What?
you know.
That is
it. So yeah, I'm gonna open it. Can you open the power button? I can't open it right now.
careful, Lisa.
Oh,
I know why.
so
you
satisfying like that. Oh my god.
I am not gonna.
The braided cable, like that actually looks so good. Detail. Oh my god. Anyways, braided cable looks so good, much better than the cheapy white latex silicone, whatever they use in Apple. This is revolutionary. Power brick is done. Looks
I'm
very.
happy with my silver.
Okay, let's just open
So
the
keyboard.
keyboard.
Just take the keyboard out. Oh my god,
I love
bro.
it.
Should we
Fingerprints.
open it?
Yes.
The escape key is much bigger.
Oh my god. It feels different.
I know.
Oh.
Oh, so light. So look at this keyboard.
Okay. Can you get a video of a box and then open?
There's mouse in
So
here.
there's a
mouse.
fingerprint right here, which looks very good. Here's my magic keyboard on my Mac.
Oh, this is for the.
That looks much better.
This
And
is for the
right here.
keyboard.
These are so good. Like if Apple keeps on making these braided cables, if they sell these like physically in store, I'm just gonna go Apple frenzy.
By the way, David's voice has been cracking.
Yeah, it's puberty, guys. Anyways, there's a lightning cable to a USB-C, which I'm guessing is there for the mouse and the keyboard. I wish it was USB-C,
Oh, that's
but
not
who cares?
Hong Kong version.
Not Hong Kong version. This is the US, I think.
More like it's a Vietnam.
Korea.
Vietnam.
Anyways, like normal power cable, and then right here the mouse.
way.
You know, it's normal. The mouse,
So I hate the most. That's the only product I hate
the most from Apple.
from Apple.
So if you buy like
Ooh, the grip.
if you buy, can I use this then? So if you buy like the blue one, I think you get like a blue shade on it. I'll put a picture up in the video.
Okay.
Right here is our MacBook, not MacBook, iMac. It looks so
It looks
good.
like a book.
It looks like a book. So here comes the unboxing. Oh, like they have this nice like mesh cover. I guess it's there to like cover it and then just like glue at the back.
Not so protective.
Oh my god, this is iconic. Big hello. You see
Oh, smell.
this tag? It smells good, I guess. It's been here for like a day now.
What?
Let's open it.
Cherry.
Oh, let's keep satisfying this.
Oh, that's so satisfying.
Oh,
The
you
back.
see me? So,
Love it. I don't have any regret.
Oh,
Choosing
wow.
silver.
wow, this is a satisfying feel.
Oh, that was not satisfying.
That was not satisfying. Pull this out from this thing. Wow, this is a
Oh, wait,
hole
there-
right
there-
there. The USB
Wait,
port
there's-
right
there's
there.
one more, there's
Power
one more.
and what?
This looks so old though. Look at this.
Here, put it satisfying. This looks great, so. Oh, that's satisfying.
So actually, people don't really see the back, right?
Yeah, they don't see this back. So,
I know Apple put a lot of colors in the back.
but like, yeah. So like, for example, one thing they got rid of is the Apple logo in like the bottom, right?
But
Now,
you can put sticker.
you could just put the sticker. This is what this is like a POV of what it's like to be at work with an iMac. You know, get your fingerprint reader, which is, you know, actually it's gonna be very useful.
This
in
looks
my
like the
opinion.
LG
I
graphic.
saw that once we put, let's say, we all fingerprint of all of us.
Yeah, it's gonna work.
So let's say I log in with my finger.
Yeah, and I love
You came and then you put it, automatically change
Yeah.
the.
to my account.
Yeah.
That's great. Now let's go into the ports. Ports are very important in my opinion. So right here we have an audio headphone jack, which is very unusual to have it at the back. I mean, like our XPS Dell monitor has USB-A's.
11.4 millimeter.
Yeah, 11.4 mil. I mean, like, come on, who doesn't want to, you know?
That's why they
Headphone
couldn't
jack.
put in the back.
Yeah, it's too thick. So
Guys, look at these braided.
So right here we have Thunderbolt 3 ports, USB 4 and a USB 3.1 Gen 2. These are both Thunderbolt 2 ports. And total there's 4 ports with support of DisplayPort, Thunderbolt 3, Thunderbolt 4, USB 4, USB 3.1, Gen 2, and Thunderbolt 2, which is basically great. You could use your Apple dongle, whatever, it's gonna work. So just plug it in right there. We have the magnet, and here comes the most satisfying part you'll ever see. So right there, this is called. Oh, I'm gonna call this MagSafe because that's just satisfying. And I'm about to hit the power button. So let's try the speakers.
Whoa.
Oh god, that just sounds so good. I mean, I don't know what to say, guys. M1 just been revolutionary. The Mac has finally changed in color, finally changed in shape, much better display than what we had, and It's just much better at the Intel base.
I mean, it was waiting. I mean, I was just so tempted by
Oh.
2020 iMac, the latest version with the previous model.
Yeah.
But I think it's worth waiting to getting this.
I mean, like the 1080p webcam is also great. Plus
That English?
English, I guess, right?
Yeah. It's I will get what is this? As a Samsung fanboy.
It's trash.
It's trash.
Trash.
It's trashy. I mean, thank you so much, guys. It's been great. We'll see you soon again, and I guess goodbye and peace.